Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny skies across the region this morning, seeing temperatures warm up to the mid-70s already as of 10 a.m. Going to see mid-80s today across the region. Won't be very humid though, so fairly comfortable overall, even though we do see those above normal temperatures. We'll have a chance of some thunderstorms as we move into later this evening as a cold front approaches from the northwest. And we'll see some more fall-like weather with cooler temperatures and tranquil conditions for the rest of the work week after today. So taking a look at our sounding from this morning, freezing level at 12,700 feet, winds out of, in general, a westerly to west-southwesterly component throughout the column this morning, seeing 26 knots at 1,000 feet, then calming to 9 knots at 6,000 feet, then up and back near 25 knots from 12,000 feet to 25,000 feet this morning. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, cold front across Ohio. The Ohio Valley going to move towards our region for later this evening. We have prefrontal trough over the lee of the Appalachians, and that's going to allow for us to have a little bit more cloud cover for the afternoon hours. Otherwise, not going to see much from this prefrontal trough, and our main forcing for our thunderstorms will come with this cold front moving through for the evening hours. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have that cloud cover off to the north and west. Currently seeing a little bit of cloud cover around 16,000 feet as well as 25,000 feet over our area. But overall, you can see this area of convection across Western Virginia, Western Maryland, approaching northwestern Virginia. That's going to be continuing to move towards the Mid-Atlantic states the next few hours and towards the northern Virginia area the next few hours. Should weaken some as it moves towards that area, and then we'll see another area of thunderstorms develop for later on this evening. So you can take a look at the radar here. We have those showers and thunderstorms currently across the Appalachian Mountains into Pennsylvania, moving up into New England, and we're going to continue to see dry conditions over our area at least through about 4 o'clock this afternoon. So taking a look at the HRM model for today, you can see this is at noon today. Those showers weakened as they move from the northwest to the southeast. And by this afternoon, here's 4 p.m., 1600 local, you can see some showers and thunderstorms starting to develop along that cold front or just out ahead of that cold front moving towards the region. And looks like our best chance of thunderstorms will come between the 7 and 8 o'clock hour this evening. And then it will last until about midnight and giving us a good chance of some rainfall as well as the bed of thunderstorms across the region. Going to see a slight chance of a stronger storm with some gustier winds across the region as well. With moderate instability as well as some unidirectional shear or that northwesterly to westerly component in our upper levels. Westerly component in upper levels. That's going to give us a possibility of a line of storms moving through during that 7 to about midnight hour tonight. Then we move through for Wednesday afternoon, mostly clear skies across the region, mostly sunny skies. Nice conditions overall. So taking a look at our European model, those thunderstorms roll through this evening. Then we have nice conditions for our Wednesday, cooler temperatures. And Thursday, much the same. We have this upper level trough over New England. It's going to allow for us to see those cooler temperatures out of the Great Lakes and eastern Canada for Thursday and for Friday. Looking like good conditions. High pressure builds in for Friday. And then we'll move off the coast slightly on Saturday. And then continuing to give us, looks like right now, good conditions for into Sunday of the weekend. And then into Monday, looks like we could have a system starting to approach from the west, giving us a chance of some rainfall. So taking a look at a risk chart for today, a high of 84, low of 61. Best chance of thunderstorms will come after 8 o'clock. This evening, as I mentioned, we'll have a 25% chance from 1800 local to 20 local, a 60% chance from 20 local to midnight, and then a 20% chance from midnight to 2 local on Wednesday. So best chance, as I mentioned, around the 8 o'clock hour, possibly as early as 7 o'clock, or 1900 local to 20 local this evening. As far as our winds go, we should see west-southwesterly winds to southwesterly winds today, 8 to 13 knots, and then becoming northerly by tomorrow morning with the post-frontal cold air advection allowing for us to have some slightly gusty winds tomorrow morning, gusting up to 17 knots. As far as our terminal forecast, should see VFR conditions today. Once we have those thunderstorm chances, we'll have lower ceilings with any thunderstorms moving through. So after that, about an 8 o'clock hour, this evening. Could see some lower ceilings in the region. And then overnight, going to see some post-frontal lower cloud cover move in. Could see a chance of some broken clouds around 500 feet after 5 local on Wednesday morning. Our tides are currently running normal, and looking into Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday, mostly to partly cloudy in the morning, a slight chance of a brief light rain shower. We'll have a weak upper level trough moving through with that upper level low over New England pivoting over the area, and that's going to give us that slight chance of a light rain shower. Then mostly sunny during the afternoon, slightly breezy, cooler, high of 73 degrees. For Wednesday night, partly cloudy and cooler, low of 54, and for Thursday, partly to mostly cloudy and pleasant, high of 72 degrees. So for the next next 7 days, we'll see those warm temperatures today, cooler, more fall-like for Wednesday through Friday, into Saturday, temperatures in the lower to mid-70s, seeing our overnight lows in the 50s. Could even see some inland locations on Friday morning in the upper 40s. Then for Sunday, we'll see warmer conditions, looks like, with more southwesterly flow across the region. Could see the warmer weather move in for Saturday. Right now the models are having a tough time determining when that warmer air moves in. Right now it looks like Sunday and a Monday we'll see temperatures in the lower 80s to upper 70s and mid-70s on Saturday. We'll see slight chances of rainfall both Sunday and Monday. As of right now, models having a tough time with the next pattern coming in for the end of the weekend into the early next week. Right now it looks like Monday is our best chance of rainfall, but keeping those chances at low-end probs right now, or probabilities, as the models are still trying to determine when that system is going to move through for early next week. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.